In this video, I will show you new and amazing Gemini AI features, live Gemini feature on your latest Samsung One UI 7 devices or any other Android device also running the latest Android version. So you can use this new Gemini AI feature. You can check on a device, run the Gemini application by long press the side key on your Samsung or Android device. Here you can see the power menu. If you have power menu, you need to change it by swipe down the notification panel on your device. Tap the setting gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down until the advanced feature. Tap on it. Now tap on the side button. At the here you can see the long press option. Tap on it. Now select the digital assist. By default set this feature on the latest Samsung device, but we use the power menu so we change it. Now go back and now you can see the long press the side key and you can see launch the Google Gemini. Now tap on the share screen with live. This is the new option available on the latest Samsung device or a latest Android device. So let's see with the example how to use this new Gemini AI feature, live Gemini AI feature. Long press the side key, tap the share screen with live. Now select the entire screen on your device and tap the start button. Now you can see at the top, tap on it, Gemini, tap on a live Gemini. Now you can see the live response with Gemini. Now tap on the power menu. Which is this device?
Okay, I see you're looking at the live with Gemini screen. I can't quite tell what device you're asking about though. Could you point it out for me?
Which is this device?
That's a Seagate external hard drive. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about it?
How do I connect with my PC?
Okay, to connect the Seagate drive to your PC, you'll need a USB cable. One end plugs into the port on the hard drive, and the other end goes into a USB port on your computer. Once connected, your computer should recognize the drive and you can start transferring files. Do you have the USB cable handy?
Yes.
Great. Once you've plugged both ends in, your computer should recognize the drive automatically. You can then drag and drop files onto it to back them up. Do you need help with that part too?
No, thanks. So this is the live Gemini AI feature you can use on your Samsung device. You can also use this feature to find the any phone related, find which phone is this, find any product related information. Let's see with another example. Here we have another smartphone and we here is the my Redmi device. Let ask for the Gemini here again. Now long press the side button. Share screen with me. Select the entire screen. Start. Now live with Gemini. Which is this device?
That's a Redmi Note 11T. What can I help you with regarding this device?
Now you can see it will easily recognize the my device name correctly. First time Redmi 11T. So you can use this new Gemini AI feature on your latest Samsung device or any other Android device also. So check out on your device and enjoy this new live Gemini AI feature on your Samsung picture devices, Google Pixel device and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.